Hello students, today you will learn lesson 9 of English Standard 10, Madam Rides the Bus. We were on page number 121, okay, first line at the top. Somebody told Wali that sit down, you shouldn't stand like that. Wali looked at her, okay. Sitting down, she looked to see who had spoken. Wali sat down and looked at the person. It was an elderly man who had honestly been concerned for her. Okay, elderly man was worried about Wali, concerned for her, but she was annoyed by his attention. Wali was annoyed, became little angry. There is nobody here who is a child, she said. Wali said that here there is nobody child. Haughtily, proudly, I have paid my 30 paise like everyone else. Okay, in Wali added that she had paid her 30 paise like everyone else. That means Wali had come to bus, okay, for bus journey to enjoy the ride, to see from the window, okay, but that person denied her. So she became angry. The conductor chimed in. Chimed in means enter in the conversation. Conductor chimed in. Oh, sir, but this is a very grown-up madam. Do you think a mere girl could pay her own fare and travel to the city all alone? Conductor entered in the conversation and told the person that this is grown-up girl. Okay? Do you think that such little girl travel all alone by herself and pay her own fare? Okay, fare means rupees of traveling, charge of traveling. Wali shot an angry glance at the conductor. Wali looked angrily at conductor for a second. Glance means look at for short period. Wali shot an angry glance at the conductor and said, I am not a madam, please remember that. Okay, Wali was outspoken. Okay, she said plainly to the person, please remember that, and you have not yet given me my ticket. Wali said to conductor, yet you have not given my ticket. I will remember, conductor said, mimicking her tone. Okay. Conductor repeated that I will remember as Wali had spoken, mimicking. Uski nakal ki. Everyone laughed and gradually Wali too joined in the laughter. Everyone in the bus laughed when conductor mimicked Wali's speaking. Then Wali also laughed. The conductor punched a ticket and handed it to her. Punched the conductor had steel metal tool. With it, he punched the ticket. Just sit back and make yourself comfortable. Why should you stand when you have paid for a seat? And conductor said, sit down, you have paid your fare, 30 paise. Why should you stand? You sit comfortably. But then Wali replied, because I want to. She answered, standing up again. Again Wali stood up. But if you stand on the seat, you may fall and hurt yourself. You may injure yourself. When the bus makes a sharp turn or hits a bump, if there is bump on the road or bus takes sharp turn, you may fall down. That is why we want you to sit. I am not a child, I tell you, she said irritably. Wali got irritated, got annoyed. I am 8 years old, I am not child. Of course, how stupid of me. 8 years, my? Then conductor said, of course. How stupid of me. मैं भी कितना बुद्धू हूँ. You are 8 years old. The bus stopped. Some new passenger got in and the conductor got busy for a time. Conductor was busy for some time. Afraid of losing her seat, Wali finally sat down. Okay, then Wali sat down. She was afraid that somebody may sit on her place. An elderly woman came and sat beside her. Are you all alone, dear? She asked Wali as the bus started again. Elderly woman sat beside her and asked Wali, are you all alone? एकदम अकेली हो? Nobody is with you? Wali found the woman absolutely repulsive. Repulsive means we don't like somebody, okay, dislike. We don't want to be with him or her. It is repulsive. Repulsive is opposite of attraction, attractive. Such big holes she had in her earlobes. She was lady from village side, okay, particular community. So there were big holes in her earlobes at the place where ladies were earring, and such ugly earrings in them. She could smell the betel nut in the woman was chewing, and woman was chewing betel nut, pan supari, and see the betel juice that was threatening to spill, and Wali thought that perhaps the betel nut juice, okay, will fall on her sari, spill over her lips at any time, any moment. Oh, who could be sociable with such a person? Wali thought. Who will talk with such a person? Who would be sociable? इसके साथ कौन मिक्स होगा? Yes, I am traveling alone, she answered curtly. Curtly means with displeasure. Wali didn't like but answered shortly. And I have got a ticket too. Yes, she is on her way to town, said the conductor with a 30 paise ticket. Conductor enjoyed this little girl's company. Conductor liked, okay, this little girl, and she wanted to talk again and again with Wali. So conductor said, yes, she is on the way to town and she has bought 30 paise ticket. Oh, why don't you mind your own business, said Wali. Okay, Wali was outspoken, okay, and she said whatever she felt. She also said to conductor that you mind your business, अपना काम करो. But she laughed all the same, and then she laughed, and the conductor laughed too. But Wali understood that conductor उसकी मजाक कर रहा है. Conductor make fun of her, and the conductor laughed too. But the old woman went on with her drivel. Okay, silly nonsense. But old woman didn't understand the matter and continued her silly talking. Is it proper for such a young person to travel alone? Do you know exactly where you are going in town? What is the street? What is the house number? Elderly woman further asked. You should not travel alone. Okay, and do you know the right address? The name of street, the house number? Then Wali became angry. She replied, you need not bother about me. You don't worry for me. I can take care of myself. Okay? I am able to take care of myself. Wali said, turning her face towards the window and staring out. As if Wali ignored the elderly woman, okay, she turned her face at the window and started looking out. Staring out means to look continuously. That is staring. Her first journey, what careful, painstaking, elaborate plans she had to make for it. Okay, it was her first journey by bus. Wali was very careful while making plan. Elaborate plan means detailed plan, and painstaking Wali had made great efforts to save money, to squeeze time for the traveling she had to make for it. She had thriftily saved whatever stray coins came in her way. Thriftily, बहुत कर कसर से सेव्ड, ओके, वो पैसे उसने बचाए थे. स्पेंड मनी केयरफुली, didn't enjoy many things and saved money. Resisting every temptation to buy peppermints, toys, balloon and the like. Resisting, Wali had to suppress, control her wish to buy peppermint, toy and balloons. And finally she had saved a total of 60 paise. This way she saved 60 paise. How difficult it had been, particularly that day at the village fair. It was very difficult during the village fair, but she had resolutely stifled a strong desire to ride the merry-go-round. When Wali went in the fair, Wali had strong desire to enjoy merry-go-round. Okay, but Wali controlled that wish and saved money. Even though she had the money, that time Wali had money, but Wali saved money for the bus ride, for bus traveling. After she had enough money saved, her next problem was how to slip out of the house without her mother's knowledge. How to go out from the house without anybody's knowledge. But she managed this without too much difficulty. It was not too much difficult. Every day after lunch, her mother would nap from about 1 to 4 or so. Mother slept in the afternoon during 1 to 4 o'clock. Wali always used these hours for her excursion, means small traveling, or as she stood looking for the doorway of her house. And that time, Wali stood at the doorway and looked outside the house on the street. Or sometimes even venture out into the village. And sometimes she went out in the village and wandered. Today, these same hours could be used for her first excursion. Small journey for enjoyment. Excursion means small journey for enjoyment outside the village. And today, this time will give her the joy to go outside the village by bus. The bus rolled on now, cutting across the bare landscape. Now there was bare landscape, there were no trees or field. Now rushing through a tiny hamlet or past an odd wayside shop. Then a tiny hamlet means small village, very small village. Bus passed it, an odd wayside shop. There was a shop, okay, beside the road. Sometimes the bus seemed on the point of gobbling up another vehicle that was coming towards them. When any other vehicle, okay, coming from the opposite side, Wali thought bus will strike, collide with it, or it will eat up. बस उसको खा जाएगी. But then at the last moment, or the pedestrian crossing the road, sometime pedestrians, okay, person was crossing the road. That time Wali thought that bus will make an accident, meet an accident. But lo, somehow it passed on smoothly. But nothing happened. It was smooth journey, leaving all obstacles safely behind. And all obstacles, okay, problems were left behind. Trees came running towards them. Sometimes Wali thought trees are running towards them, but then stopped as the bus reached them and simply stood there helpless. But at the last moment, they became standstill. And for and became helpless for a moment by the side of road before rushing away in the other direction. And Wali felt that as if trees are running in the opposite direction. Suddenly, Wali clapped her hands with glee. Wali became very happy and clapped her hands. A young cow, tail high in the air, was running very fast. A young cow was running very fast. Its tail was raised right in the middle of the road. Came in front of bus, right in front of the bus. The bus slowed to crawl. Bus slowed down, okay. Driver applied brake and the driver sounded his horn loudly. Okay. Driver started the horn, honk. The more frightened the animal, but the more he honk, ड्राइवर हॉर्न बजाया, जितना जोर से हॉर्न बजाया ज़्यादा उतना ही एनिमल ज़्यादा डर गया. बट द मोर ही honk, द मोर फ्राइटन द एनिमल बिकॉज एंड द became frightened the animal became and the faster it gallop means running like horse, always right in front of the bus. As driver made sound of horn, honk, the frightened animal ran like horse and always right in front of the bus. Ran in front of the bus. Okay, children. Next part of this lesson you will study in next lecture, next video.